Hi everyone, I am Rama. Today we are going to talk about the Healthify AI review. In this video, I will give you a complete overview of this Healthify AI and show you exactly how it works. As you can see on the screen, this is a smart AI app that claims to build done for you profitable health websites, send over 11,000 plus clicks daily and generate up to 900 plus dollar per day in profit completely on autopilot. And the best part, no paid ads, no technical skill, no upfront cost, no waiting, no complicated setup. So make sure you watch this video until the end because I will explain who this Healthy really for how you can use it and whether it's actually worth your time. Also don't skip this important points so on the page. Now let me show you the inside dashboard. As you can see, this is the payment page through the Launchpad checkout system. And one important thing, make sure you try the coupon code shown on your screen right now so you can get up to 30% discount on your purchase. Obviously, I can't enter my card detail on camera. You already understand why. After that, simple click confirm order and you will get instant access to the Healthify AI. And guys, if you access Healthify AI using the link in my video description, you will also get 30 exclusive bonuses completely free worth over $2,700. Here are just a few of the bonuses include Instagram machine, Pinterest traffic automator, LinkedIn auto post machine, 300 plus ready-made logo design, SD motion video background, SEO monster, site clone machine, auto video creator, Google keyword generator, turbo ecom builder, instant content creator, YouTube leads plugin, social media boom software, and many more. So if you go through the link is in this video's description, you will get the Healthify AI, the discount coupon code, all 30 bonuses for free. Now let move on the demo section. And honestly, this is probably the easiest part. I am going to show you the full process step by step in real time, and it's so simple that even a complete beginner can understand how it works within minutes.